All right, we're going to bring it back from the past. Burger King's Big Cheese. First thing we got to make is the hot and spicy barbecue sauce that came with this burger. What you want is a cup of ketchup and a cup of white vinegar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, about a half a tablespoon of salt, pepper to taste, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and hot sauce to taste. I went a little heavy on the hot sauce. Just adjust the hot sauce for the spiciness you like. This burger, I don't know if it wasn't Burger King's like 9th attempt to topple the Big Mac. I barely remember this burger. I remember it existing. But this is my version because, well, I'm the necromancer that's bringing it back from the dead, so this is what I'm doing. Yeah. So let's go on to the next step. And to a griddle set somewhere between medium and medium high, we have some 1/4 pound patties. And you can use whatever seasoning you want, salt and pepper. I just got a steak burger seasoning from my local grocery store that I love using all the fucking time. And, yeah, just cook these a couple of minutes aside. Okie dokie. Through the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. Now, you want to melt a slice of American cheese atop each of the 1/4 pound patties. If I didn't mention, these patties are 1/4 pound. And throw a little water on and melt up the cheese. And then you want to set them aside. You can cover them very lightly with foil because obviously you don't want to, wreck the cheese. So, yeah, just set aside. And after this, you'll have to clean your griddle. Or if you have a big enough one where you can get all 6 patties on, I'll show you what to do with the second patty of this sandwich. Okay, we got the griddle cleared off, heated back up, time for the second burger. And if you're wondering why I didn't do this on the grill, it was the middle of winter. There was like 8 feet of snow outside. So, place these on the griddle and do the exact same thing you did with the first burger. Favorite seasoning on top, couple of minutes each side, and I'll see you at the next step. Alright, through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done, and it's time for white American, or American Swiss, whatever in the hell you want to call it. And again, throw some water on, create some steam, get these things ready, and yeah, should be ready for the next step in a couple of minutes. Okay, and let's finish this son of a bitch off. Got my nice toasted bun. Gonna put some mayo on the top. Burgers are better with mayo. Actually, all sandwiches are better with mayo. If you don't like it, go to hell. Then, some nicely chopped iceberg lettuce. The first patty. A spoonful of that sauce that we've had simmering and getting all wonderful. The second patty. And try to make sure it doesn't slide off. Another spoonful of that there barbecue sauce. And of course, what every burger needs, a bunch of pickles. And again, try to keep them from sliding off with the sauce. I didn't think the sauce would be that damn runny. And then a little bit of onions on the top bun. Pop it on top. And that's it. BK's Big Cheese. Reborn.